Mr. O'Connor, my name's Steve, I'm a technician looking after your vehicle. I'm just going to run through the visual health check we've done on it as part of its diagnostic visit. Here at Lancaster's of Reading we run a traffic light system, whereas green is saying it's good, amber is saying it should be looked at before the next service, and red is saying we recommend looked at or replaced today. Right, the first point of call is going to be your passenger side front tyre. We're going to do some depth checks for you. The law states the tyre must be a minimum of 1.6mm over 3/4 of the centre of its tread. Here at Lancaster of Reading we recommend tyres replaced when they hit 3mm or below, so that point steering and braking performance is greatly reduced. Right. That's 7.4mm, 8.1mm and 7.2mm. That tyre is a green item today. Right, we're just going to go to the side here and look at your brakes. Right, that's your front disc there. Just up there we can see your caliper, and just inside there's your pads. And what we're going to do is we're going to measure up the friction material left on the pads. Right, just going to insert a measuring tool once I find it. Just move that round there, and we can see tool going up there. And it's a snug bit up there. And we pop it into focus, we can see you have 10mm of pad lining left, and that is a green item. Right, just go to the inside of the passenger wheel and we can see there's the other side of your caliper there. There's the lower arm, there's the height sensor for the lights. That's the outer CV gator, and there's the drive shaft there, all green items. And we can see your shock absorber there, and to the top there's your road springs that are green today. Right, we're now at the driver's side front tyre. We'll do some depth checks for you. 7.4mm, 8.2mm and 7.4mm. That tyre is green today, and as a quick view of your suspension there, it's the same as that side. Everything's green today, and we've also measured the pads on the driver's side, and they're at 10mm, which is showing good even wear. Right, just go to the rear of the vehicle, following your exhaust. There's a picture of your DPF there. Diesel particulate filter, and we're now following down to the rear axle unit. There it is, and now we're at the back of the axle there. We can see the inner CV joint gator, drive shaft, outer boot there, all green. Same on the passenger side there. Right, and we're now at the passenger side rear tyre. We'll do some depth checks for you. That's 4.9mm. 5.7mm and 5mm. That tyre is a green item today. Right, we'll just come to the rear pads. Pretty much the same as the front one. There's your disc there. We can see your caliper there. And if we have a look inside, there's your pad. They look pretty new. I think they've been replaced recently, but we'll do the check for you anyway. Just pop the tool up. You can see it just fitting nice and snugly up there. Just focus out, and that's 8mm and green. Right, we'll just go to the driver's side. We'll do some depth checks for you. That's at 5.2. Sorry, I read that wrong. 5.9mm. 5.9mm. And 5mm. That tyre is a green item today. We've also measured the pads on the driver's side rear, and they're 8mm. Good even wear there. Right. I hope you found the video informative. One of our receptionists will be in touch with you about your diagnostic concern, and I'd like to thank you for choosing Lancaster's of Reading.